Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Ninja 650 twin-cylinder middleweight sport bike. Beautiful metallic red and black. This bike is in beautiful shape. Come on by, make your motorsport dreams come true. This Ninja for just $59.99. Come on by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.